Today I'm going to watch the Barbie movie. It's the release day for Barbie and Oppenheimer. And Paul Mitchell, the hair care brand, invited me to come watch the movie. I just put my thumb in the fire. Great start to the night. This is my Barbie candle from Glass House. It's so yummy. You have no idea. Or maybe you do, maybe you've smelled it. Just got a whole bunch of pink makeup and we're gonna see what comes out. I'm thinking monochrome just because I feel like that's one of the nicest ways to wear pink.
Here you go, Barbie.
Thanks, Ken. And then OPI sent me this Barbie tumbler. Thank you, Seba. Starting out, I'm going to use this glowy makeup serum from Laneige because it's pink and gives you really nice plump glossy skin, and I want to look like a doll. I want like plastic skin. Oh, I love that. This Bobbi Brown eyeshadow stick looks really pretty. It's called Pink Sparkle. Can you see how it's just a nice soft pink? Before going into that, I think I'm just gonna go ahead and do my foundation. Luminous Silk, one of my faves. I'm gonna apply quite a lot because, like I said, I want full coverage. Something else that I did earlier was I shaved my face, so my skin is gonna look so smooth like a Barbie doll. You can see that, like it has that very flawless look. Brows, eyes, just gonna smear this all over. I feel like that, oh, where are you? I feel like that needs a bit of dimension. So I'm gonna take Pillow Talk from Charlotte Tilbury, which is this nice soft pink, also a cream. And I'm just gonna run that through my socket, just so it's not so like one monotone. We're doing monotone. No, we're doing monochrome, not monotone. Anyway, I started out with a very little bit because I wasn't quite sure how this would go over the top. It works well. Nice. Got this cool gray eyeliner. Apply that just on the outer lid. Bunches of mascara, but I will put lashes on. How about these for lashes? They're the Demure lights from House of Lashes. Okay, I'm gonna go for flawless under eye. So with Corrector first, taking it right up in here. Brightening concealer on top. Whoa, that is flawless. Those are great products. They're the Huda Beauty Faux Filter products. I like them, nice. Peach and Coconut Flakes. Laura Mercier Rose Setting Powder with the Real Techniques puff. Then a pop of pink blush, the She's a Doll from Patrick Ta. And then with the cream, of course, the Patrick Ta method is to put the cream on top of the powder. And then I love this Dior palette, really pretty highlighting blush. I'm gonna give my cheeks that plastic look. I'm gonna take some through the socket and onto the brow bone as well, just to tie it all together. Going over everything with my foundation brush. Lots of mascara on my lower lashes for that open doll-eyed look. Okay, now the fun part is lips, and I'm going to use a plumper. This one is extremely potent. So I'm using it as a primer under the pink lip. I'm rubbing it in a lot. It starts to tingle, that's when you know it's working. Whoa. Oh man, that stuff works a little too good. That stuff is so amazing. Lip liner. The Fenty Idol in Miss Candy Venom. So this is the one that you refill. So you stick the cartridge, snap it, and then you twist it to get it out. Let's do this. Clean up the edges. There you go, finished look. Let's go do my hair now. Okay, not the best angle. We're in my bathroom now, but it's kind of all I've got. Let's do just an updo. This is the Flexible Style Sculpting Foam. This is just a perpetual mess.
What did you say?
I'm talking to my friends.
Oh, sorry.
So I think I'm gonna wear this. Jeans. And I pretty much always get cold in the cinema, so something with long sleeves is a must, even though it's like hot as hell out there. The light jeans I think go nicely with these neon shoes. Oh, my pedicure's seen better days, guys. The floor's a mess. Perfume, I'm gonna go with my Oriana from Parfums de Mali. It's got like some of those powdery scents that are a bit doll-like. Plus, look at that body. Blow out the candle. Finished look. So we came to come get some food and this is what we're doing. This is what it's like to be married to an Argentinian. Thank you. Thank you. Everyone's in pink. Oh! Armani! Hi! Ooh, Bobby time!